What's up, entrepreneurs? Tessa here with the IdeaPros marketing team, and I have Fifi Lynn Larney, creator of Stacked and IdeaPros partner with me today. And I just wanted to let Fifi kind of give us a description of her product, which is up on the LaunchPad, and then we'll take a look at the product. So, Fifi, welcome.
Hi, Tessa. How are you?
I'm good today. Oh, every day is a good day, right?
Just some are faster than others.
True, true. Well, it's probably been really fast since you've launched your product up on the Launchpad, right? Things are getting busy.
Oh, everything is extremely busy and the days are going so fast, but it's exciting after so long that we're finally have gotten to this point where now it's out and it's open to the public, and we're soon be able to pre-order it for everyone's home. So I'm excited.
Yeah, well, so tell us about it because Stacked is a really awesome product, I have to tell you. So I'm just going to let Fifi tell you guys about it, and then we'll go check it out on the Launchpad.
Well, Stacked was designed with the in mind to elegantly and conveniently store stemless and stemmed wine glasses together. And Stacked came into play. The name Stacked is because you could take a stemless wine glass rack, which is called Stacked, and you can place another one below it if you want more room for more stemless wine glasses, and then place your stemmed glasses underneath. So that's how Stacked came into play, and you can go onto IdeaProsLaunchPad.com and look for Stacked and put your email in it, and we will contact you and let you know when it's time to pre-order.
Yeah, so I'm going to actually add it to the broadcast so we can look at the page together.
Okay.
And this is always the interesting part. It is coming. So we're going to take me out of the mix and show you two, hopefully. It's always a challenge. Okay, so I will make the screen solo. So we're going to check out, this is Launchpad, IdeaProsLaunchPad.com. And you're actually, if you want to go check out the products, obviously we have them all listed here. Stacked is on the homepage, of course, and this is this gorgeous, it's a brilliant way to store wine glasses, obviously. It is so innovative, but it actually stacks the stemless on the top, and then you can still have your stemmed wine glasses underneath, and you can actually do two of the stacks, right?
Correct. Or three. It can
Or
go
three.
room as you have. You can keep stacking them. And the nice thing is, and how I came up with the idea is, I've noticed in different restaurants we went to, or even in our homes, we buy the stemless wine glasses and we stack them all over the place, and there's no home for them. So I was able to invent a home for the stemless wine glasses, and still able to keep your stemmed wine glasses together in one.
Safely in one.
Yeah.
I love
and
it.
then you'll notice there's on Launchpad, we're launching other products. Mine is the stemless wine glass rack, and then there's the other products around there.
Right. Yeah. So this, if you are interested in, well, basically the Launchpad is a pre-launch platform. So it's designed to help build interest. I'm actually going to take that one off. It's designed to build interest in a product. And so first of all, if you're willing to support entrepreneurs and go to the Launchpad and share out this awesome place for entrepreneurs to get their word out, we'd love to have you come to the website and you click to join. And then when you're in a product, you can actually share that product out. The more people you refer, the more discounts and prizes you can win. So it's really exciting, but definitely check out the website, go to LaunchPad, IdeaProsLaunchPad.com, and click on the stacked wine rack and share for Fifi, because she is so, an exciting entrepreneur to watch, and we just really appreciate having her as a part of the IdeaPros team. So thank you so much, Fifi. I know this one was just a quickie little one. We do actually have some people in, so I'm going to put up some messages from people. So Catherine says it's an awesome product. I know that Lindsay is said it's an awesome invention. So we're getting so many. Thank you guys for popping in and showing your support for the entrepreneurs. We really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much, Fifi. We will see you soon.
Yes, have a nice week.
You too. Thanks, guys. Oh, wait, one more. I have to show you a couple more because I'm sure they want me to push it up. And Nicholas, oh, actually, Nicholas asked a question while I have you for one more second. How long did it take you to go from idea model to production, obviously?
It took a year. I would say a good year to do it properly. There's a lot of companies out there that I had spoken to, and they say, oh, we could have it out in 90 days. And what I liked about IdeaPros is they were able to take me through it and make sure there was no glitches along the way. Of course, you're going to run into something, I'm sure. It hasn't happened yet, but you try to eliminate as many glitches, and you fine tune your product, and they help you fine tune your product so that it covers everything, so that you don't have to revamp it or redo it.
Right. Do it right the first time. I think that's the big focus is, it is a process, and you do have to go through these steps. And if you take it in the wrong order, you're probably going to have to redo that first step again, so do it right.
Inventors or anyone that has a product they're interested in wants to contact me, has any questions, feel free to. I'd love to answer any questions because I was in the same position. So I understand what they're going through. But IdeaPros helped me take a product that was on a piece of paper that I was very eager to get out. And they helped me do the surveys. They helped me do the design, the sketchings, then the prototype. They take you through every step, and they're very good at what they do. And I'm very happy with them.
I'm so glad. I mean, and we have even more people that are saying hi. So you are a popular girl today.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, well, thank you so much. And guys, if you are on the fence about becoming a partner for IdeaPros, like Fifi said, I mean, it's really a no-brainer. They can help you so much. But what I wanted to do is actually, spotlight Fifi because she's an amazing partner. Give her a chance to talk about the product, and then we'll be seeing more from Fifi for sure as she goes through the journey and we take the product to launch.
Yeah, please put your email. Go to IdeaProsLaunchPad.com, put your email in, and as soon as we're ready for pre-orders, I'll send you an email out letting you know that it's ready to pre-order.
I can't wait. I'm going to be one of your first purchases.
So much.
Thank you so much, Fifi. We'll see you soon. And everyone, thank you so much for joining us. And we'll see you on Friday for the Friday Q&A live with Fred on Facebook at noon Pacific time.
It's always a great one.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.